Hey Froze, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So I have a couple errands to run today, and you guys know I did the video this morning of me molding my hair, and I am doing it in a no heat way because I did not have a dryer. So now that I'm about to go into this business place, I don't want to go in there with my hair in a scarf, even though it's my Elite Hair Care scarf, even though it's cute. I don't want to do that. So we're going to go ahead and get ourselves together in the car before we go inside this building. And I'm going to show you guys what my mold looks like. So I'm going to start off by putting on a little bit of my lip gloss. You guys know I'm a super fan of glossed. So let's do that. I love this lip gloss, by the way. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray myself with a little bit of our newest fragrances. So we have 5 new fragrances coming this Friday. They will be dropping on our Crystal W online site during our anniversary sale, where all of the Le Pure scents, the super scents, will be $19.99 rather than $49 and $59. So this is actually Tory Burch. Yes, this is my Tory Burch. Anyway, so we have Tory Burch, Just Like Heaven. We have Valentino. We have Hermes. So I'll do another video talking all about that in just a little while. But I'm just going to go ahead and put on my Tory. You know, remember, spray your pressure points. I showed you guys your pressure points, okay? Pressure points. And then, of course, behind that knee is another pressure point. And then if you want to spray your clothes, you can spray your clothes. Okay? I like to smell strong. That's just me. Anyway, don't forget, you guys, that today is launch day of our new and improved hair repair and restoration products, which the collection is called Hair Repair and Revive. So this collection consists of our hair repair and restoration shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner 2.0. And they are suitable for all hair types. So you guys go check out our website. They are 25% off today, as well as 25% off everything on the website. So you don't need a code for any of this, okay? All right, you guys ready? Let's see how this mold turned out. Okay, my no heat mold. My no heat mold turned out fabulous. So who says that you can't do a no heat mold with your Elite Silk Wrap Foam? Ooh. Yes, and it's really hot, and I'm super sweaty, and I sweat really, really easily. So having this no heat mode is perfect for what I'm doing. And of course, if you really want to like switch it up, you can put in some like gondola earrings, which I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to put on my gondolas. I call these gondolas, but they're not really gondolas. But you guys know that I'm a Tory Burch crackhead. So when your hair is kind of like mine's, where it's super flat, large earrings make it really, really cute. So we're going to switch out my Tories for another pair of Tories. And then, of course, I got on my Tory Burch too.